going on, guys? This is Redneck's Thinking, and today we're going to kind of break away from the norm and make a little helpful video for you guys. We're going to be making some homemade weed killer and spraying it in my garden. So as you can see, kind of got a weed problem in here around my corn. Kind of let it grow up like this on purpose so I could test out the weed killer on it. Got a lot of horseweed and pigweed. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so first we're going to put in a cup of salt here. If I can do it while I'm holding the camera. Then we're going to do a cup of water. And a half a gallon of vinegar. Let me open this real quick. And a tablespoon of dish salt. And a tablespoon of dish salt. Now you're going to want to put the cap on and screw it on real tight and give it a good shake, get everything mixed up. Then we can go out and spray. Okay, so just quick rule of thumb, try to keep your nozzle at least 3 inches away from the plant so you don't kill it. And take off your shoes or put a bag over them or whatever if you're walking through it. And you don't want to kill your grass because that stuff gets all over your shoes. You walk through your grass, you'll kill it. So that's just one thing for you guys to keep in mind. Well, folks, you can't argue with results. As you can see, everything that I sprayed is dead. My gap that I left between the corn is a little bit bigger than 3 inches, however, that's okay. I'll just pull them all out. But yeah, this stuff, I'd say this stuff works better than Roundup, to be honest. Can't argue with results.